Dry ice in the kitchen. Let it begin. Let's have some fun. Splattering a little bit. Let's oh yeah. Check that out. Oh, check that out. Oh, so cool. I did this last year and it was pretty cool, but it's even cooler now. Thank you, Omaha Steaks, and thank you, Mom. You guys want to check this out? Richard.
What are you yelling about?
Dry ice, man. Dry ice.
Killing the sink.
Look out!
You know, drive the flies away.
It will. We have a fly problem, and this will hopefully kill them. It will freeze them. Isn't it so cool? Look, it's going off the counter. This is awesome, man.
That's me a Halloween.
It's gonna go viral on YouTube. Not really.
I think that definitely starts with
Woo!
not that know a little bit about science.
Alright, we're gonna turn off the water and see what happens.
How much ice is there?
It's a good amount. Here, you put your hand and check it.
I know a little bit about science too. How do you know water is?
What? Where'd my hand go, man? Yes, this is in Whittier Hall, Suite 9B. Just kidding. 9A. I know. Look at those cool tricks he's doing.
Yeah.
I'm like holding, yeah. Woo! You can like see the bubbles. It's going over here. So cool. Okay.